Others. We have to talk about the others. Number 1, apple core. Apple corer, a tube-shaped hand tool used to remove the core from apples. Number 2, buster, a small utensil with a valve for moistening food while cooking. Number 3, green pot, a heavy covered crockery pot and made of crush material used in the slow cooking of beans. Number 4, blender, an electrical kitchen appliance consisting of glass, stainless, steels, or plastic pieces with a fast rotating steel blade directly attached coupled to an electric motor below, used for blending, mixing, grating, chopping, pasteurizing, emulsifying, and liquefying the contents of vessel which can be dry or wet. Number 5, bread pan, an oblong or rectangular pan used to hold bread dough in baking. Number 6, butter board, a wooden board with which used for cooking butter balls. Number 7, butter cooler, a hand tool used for making butter curls. Number 8, butter melter, a small heavy pot to melt butter. Number 9, cake pan or cake tin, a metal or glass oven-proof pan usually of different size, shape, and design for baking cakes. Number 10, cake rock, a metal framework for cooling cakes, cookies, and pastries, usually round, square, or rectangle in shape. 11, candelabras, a candle holder usually for varying size, designs, and shape to add an elegant touch or to be a focal point of buffer or head table. Canisters, containers made of varied materials in different shapes, size, designs, and color, used for storing staples and other food materials like coated chocolates, cookies, and candies with tight-fitting lids to reserve freshness. 13, carving board, a large wooden board usually grown for carving meats and poultry. 14, charlotte molds, a straight or slow side mold used to make charlotte. 15, cocktail shaker, a glass-like vessel with height 15 cover usually made of stainless metal for mixing the ingredients of a cocktail drink. 16, coquette, a French casserole usually a swallow earthenware, cast iron or porcelain dish with a tight-fitting lid. 17, cooking press, a hollow cylindrical device which is filled with butter or soft dough, pressed through various sticks or chews into cookies sheets. 18, cookie sheet, a metal sheet, rectangular in shape and used for baking cookies, breads, cake sheets, pastries, and for other baking purposes. 19, cooling rack, a metal rack, slightly elevated allowing air recirculation used cooling selected baked products. 20, custard cups, a small deep ovenware bowls occasionally used in serving desserts and salads. Dry measuring cup, measuring cups available in 1 1/2, 1/3, and 1 cup size made of stainless steel, aluminum, or plastic either in a one piece of nested. Dough oven, a deep metal cooking pot equipped with a tight-fitting cover used to cook food, pot roasts, and stews. 23, egg roaster, a miniature ring made with an upper dish containing indentations each size to hold an egg or contains a separate device for poaching. 24, animal wear, cooking and utensils coated with enamel to protect it from rust and action of acids. 25, fish boiler, a long narrow kettle with cover settle for cooking whole fish. So 26, plain ring, pie ring, a plain and flatted metal and placed on a baking tray or cooking sheet for baking tarts and pies. Hibachi, an oriental type of grilling device consisting of all compartment that holds hot coals and removable grill on top. 35, kitchen shears, a double-blade multi-purpose cutting device very much similar to scissors, used for cutting, scaling fish and nut cracking. 36, larging needle, a large needle with a wide eye used for pulling strips of larding fork through meats. 37, liquid measuring cup, a measuring cup made of clear glass or plastic that comes in one piece, which lets for easy pouring, marked off into ports by ridge on the sides. 38, mallet, a wooden, metal, or plastic hammer-like device to crack ice or flatten meats and poultry. 39, muffin pans, a sheet-like pan holding 6 to 12 deep pans to make muffins and cupcakes, also called muffin tin. 40, omelette pan, A heavy base frying pan, usually of cast iron or copper, with the rounded sloping sides, used exclusively for omelets and never washed after use perfectly with absorbent paper. 41. Pastry blender, a handle wire tool used for cutting, shortening into dry ingredients in making pastries. 42. Brimmer, a device or tools used to extract juice from sliced lemon or orange. 43. Razor potato masher, a kitchen gadget designed to fresh potato and similar cooked vegetables through perforated container, resulting in strings about the diameter of a rice grain. 44. Roaster, a heavy pan without a rack or cover that goes within, used for roasting meats, poultry, and even fish. 45. Rotisserie, a stainless steel rod with a handle used to broil meats and poultry. 46. Sauce bowl, an oval swallow wide mouth container standing on an oval plate used to serve sauces, usually with a small ladle. 47. Skewer, a pointed wood or metal used for roasting joints or meats and poultry, or for holding meat, fish, or pieces of vegetable for grilling. 48. Snail pan, a pan containing with 6 or 12 depressions or indentures used for cooking and serving snails. 47. Souffle dish, a strange sides oven fruit dish wherein starfish are baked. 50. Shrimp form pan, a deep cake pan usually round in shape with a special glass allowing the shrimp to be removed from the cake. 51. Steam pot, a large cooking vessel with a tight 50 lid to stew dried food materials. 52. Teapot, a hidden vessel with a spout wherein tea is steeped and from which is served. Trivet, a decorative metal plate on a very short stand for use to hold a hot dish on a table or on the stove as vessels made mat or for steaming puddings in pots. 54. Roasting needle, a special kind of kitchen needle bigger than the sewing needle, sometimes carved used to meat or poultry in roasting. 55. Vegetable brush, a small brush with a stiff bristles used for scrubbing vegetables like potatoes and carrots. 56. Waffle iron. 56. Waffle iron, a utensil to cook waffles having two thick metal plates hanging along one edge with handles at the opposite edge and with the hidden and intended making surface which give the characteristics appearance in waffles, may be electric or manual. 57. Wine basket, a basket that allows the wine bottle to rest horizontally during serving. 58. Wire basket, a small wire utensil for shipping and frying foods in deep pot, or a small wire basket used to suspend foods for deep pot frying.